Hi, Dr. Sumod here from Gomantak Ayurved Mahavidyalaya. I am heading pediatric department, and 6 years back I have come with this invention. This is the first proprietary Ayurvedic medicine for the children to keep them healthy. Now this concept was originated when we were suffering from the COVID-19 आणि सगळी पॅरेंट्स माझ्याकडल्यान they were asking me as a preventive measure म्हणजे एका दुयेंस जावपा नाका म्हणून कितें वखद आसा काय. So that time I have used this combination in the powder form, but as the kids it is not palatable, it is not acceptable, so it is a need of her to convert this into the syrup form, and now this is available in the syrup form, it is in the strawberry form. Again, when we are giving to the kids, again it is required to do the evidence base, and I'm happy to share you that there are 2 clinical trials done on this. One is anti-allergic and one is immunomodulatory. म्हणजे कितें की एक हेतून इम्युनोमॉड्युलेटरी म्हणजे भुरग्यांची इम्युनिटी वाडटा हे प्रूव्ह जाल्लें आसा, आणि एका हेतून अँटी एलर्जीक म्हणजे परत परत भुरग्यांक थंडी जाता किंवा तांकां एलर्जीक अस्थमा आसता, एलर्जीक रायनायटीस आसता, सो ताजे खातीर हेची एक्शन प्रूव्ह जाल्ली आसा. आणि ऑलमोस्ट 20,000 children are benefited in 10 states of Goa, including India. I thank everyone, all the doctors of Goa and all the fraternity of Ayurveda for supporting this innovation. Thank you.